Bingo Cash customer service. Wait times can vary depending on the issue, the support channel you use, and whether your account needs additional review. By the end, you'll know the best ways to contact Bingo Cash support, what information to prepare, and how to avoid common delays when waiting for a response. The fastest way to get help is usually to use the support options available inside the Bingo Cash app. Open the app, find the Help or Support section, and submit your issue with as much detail as possible. The information you provide affects how quickly support can understand your problem. Include your account email, a clear description of the issue, and any relevant screenshots or error messages if available. Different problems can require different levels of review. A simple question about app features may be easier to answer than an issue involving payments, withdrawals, account verification, or account restrictions. If your issue involves a payment or withdrawal, check your account details before contacting support. Incorrect information or missing verification steps can create delays that support cannot resolve until the required details are completed. Another way to avoid waiting longer is to avoid sending multiple duplicate requests. Submitting several tickets for the same problem can make it harder to track the original conversation. If you are waiting for a reply, check the email address connected to your Bingo Cash account and review your spam or junk folder. Support responses may not always appear in your main inbox. The best approach is simple. Contact support through the official Bingo Cash help options, explain the problem clearly, and provide the details needed to review your account. If you are asking about wait times, remember that there is no single response time that applies to every situation. Account reviews, payment questions, and technical problems can require different handling. Before contacting support, gather your account details, describe exactly what happened, and include any error messages. A complete request gives support a better chance of resolving the issue without asking for extra information. So, the main steps are using the in-app support system, providing accurate account information, and checking your email for updates after submitting your request. If this guide helped you contact Bingo Cash support, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and reviews.